Hello and welcome everyone. This is the second video of our CKA series, and today we are going to solve two different questions. The first one will be set the node name node 01 as unavailable and reschedule all the pods running on it. And the second question is scale the deployment Nginx deployment to 3 pods. Now let's move on to the Killer Coda playground where we are going to solve these questions. So here, let's first check your nodes, k get nodes. We have two nodes here. The first one is the control plane node and the second one is node 01. So according to the question, we have to drain node 01. So we'll drain k drain. We have set the alias for kubectl. That is why we are using k in every command. K drain node 01 hyphen ignore hyphen dimensions. So once you will run this command, all the pods that were running on that particular node will be evicted and the node will be drained. Now, if you will see the status k get nodes, it was on the ready state earlier. It was on the ready state earlier, and now you can see that it is showing scheduling disabled. So this question is over. But if you still want to know how to make it ready again, for in that case, k uncordon node 01, and after this, if you will check the status of the nodes are ready again. You can again schedule the pods on it. Clear. Let's move on to the next question. Scale the deployment Nginx deployment to 3 pods. K get deploy or deployment. Here we have Nginx hyphen deploy. So we are going to scale this. Right now you are seeing that only one replica is running right now. So if we want to increase the replicas to 3 or 4 or 5, we are going to run k scale deploy Nginx hyphen deploy hyphen replicas is equals to whatever number you want to give. Yes. And now it is scaled. K get deploy. And now if you will check the status of it, it will show 3 out of 3. This is showing that we have available 3 replicas here. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for joining.